Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pumpkins Halloween decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Joint Pumpkins for Halloween. It is built in multiple colors, LED lights, durable and reusable. 1 12-inch pumpkin with purple witch hat. 1 12-inch pumpkin with orange witch hat. This 2 6.5-inch pumpkins with black and purple witch hats. And 2 6-inch pumpkins with black and blue hats. At number 3 we have HB Life Pumpkins for Halloween. Life blow-up pumpkin with cute animated pumpkin design will be a great gift for your children. You can bright LED lights and blow-up pumpkin will light up your front yard. This inflatable pumpkin is made of high-quality thicker polyester. HB Life blow-up Halloween decorations equipped with a powerful built-in fan. At number 2 we have Twinkle Star Pumpkins for Halloween. This lighted jack-o'-lantern window silhouette is a wonderful Halloween decoration. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin comes with pre-lit bright 10 mini warm white lighting bulbs creating a terror atmosphere. You can hang a pumpkin in your window and make your Halloween decoration sparkle. It is bigger enough that you can see the lights in the windows in the distance from the street. At number 1 we have Pumpkins for Halloween. The 30 LED Halloween pumpkin decoration lights can easily dress up home and create a spooky Halloween atmosphere. The timer function and dimmable comes with a 10-level brightness. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pumpkins Halloween decorations for your need.